the perfect love song that you would hear on a Sunday radio. You did all the right steps to make me fall in love with the boy that could catch me. Small dates and walks around the neighborhood. My lips would smile at the sound of your voice. I said I was yours and you were mine. How romantic was the boy that told her like a baby that was just your hit and run. We were dancing all around till we saw the sun. And I know this isn't right and I shouldn't pick a fight, but I was just your hit and run. Telling all my friends that you were the one. We were calling all night long till our eyes were tired. And I know you had my heart, trying not to fall apart.